guys, general cleaning ng aming munting bahay. Ayan na. Oh, look at that. Very bad. No good, Kara. Here, starting clean. With Mama Idilit. Oh. Mashallah. Clean na ang aming kitchen. Oh, wake up dyan. Magtulog-tulog, di ba sabi wag ka matulog?
Wala kita malinis kasi kami. Makulit kami.
Naway mo to,
Sabi na mo.
Oh, this is the finished
Product.
finished product. Oh, look at that. Very clean. Very clean. Oh, look at that. Oh, my bed. My bed is very clean. Very clean. Oh, we look sudugyot na because we are cleaning here. Oh, look at. Hi guys, bye. Thank you for today.